California, out here on family vacation.
Y'all came up to Toledo.
You know my sister?
That's your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah. Used to date.
We're okay.
What?
Small world, huh? Hopefully we get lucky. Hopefully we get easy breakups.
I could tow the vehicles. I could confiscate them right now.
I believe it. I believe it. All right, gotta make a quick beer run. Gotta pick up some more Colorado Kool-Aid. Like my riding gear? We out here.
All right, let's do it.
Come on.
We gotta beat this storm.
Yeah. Come on now, what more do you want? Good living out here. See the cop? Is he still there? Oh yeah, I saw him. Okay. '93, baby.
Damn, another sheriff. I'm getting some beer. I'll watch the bikes. Here.
Good old four-way. You too, man. Thank you. Got no vapes in there.
Alright, see if we can make it back.
Come on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
God damn. Exactly what I was afraid of, dude.
Yeah, I know. We'll be alright. How you doing?
Hello, Deputy Nugget Parish Sheriff's Office. Y'all have any ID?
I do. There you go.
Also need the vehicle information, please. Registration, proof of insurance.
I don't have that on me.
Okay. Why are y'all riding on the highway?
My dumbass idea, tried to talk him into going out for a little joyride and made the mistake of, you know, risking it, but I do apologize. I wasn't trying
Okay.
to...
Do me a favor, take your helmets off.
Yes, ma'am.
Where y'all come from?
We're actually from visiting great grandma's house. We're from California, out here on family vacation.
Y'all came up to leave.
Yeah. You know my sister.
That's your sister?
Yeah.
What's the date?
We're okay. What? Small world, huh?
That's a small world.
Very small world.
Oh yeah.
So neither one of y'all have any insurance or registration or anything on these?
They're definitely registered.
I have my
don't the
registration,
information
but
on me.
all the insurance and stuff, paperwork's back at home.
Okay, you do have the registration?
Yeah, it's on here.
No, we have our stickers. Just as far as the other paperwork, I don't carry that.
Hold on just a moment.
Okay.
Small world, man.
Hopefully we get lucky. Hopefully it was an easy breakup.
Yeah, I know. I was like, so yeah, it should have been nicer to him. Better let me get out of this. Oh yeah, let me do the talking. Oh, yeah, I got this. Enough of them was sitting there the whole time.
I haven't seen one whole trip in my... He must have called it in.
Yeah, 100%.
Good for the channel.
Let's see.
I gotta argue.
So he probably actually knows where we're going.
All of a sudden I look back, there's like nobody, and I look back and there's cars on your ass. I'm like, oh shit. Then I thought you were just letting a random car pass, and then I saw the lights and I'm like, ah shit.
I can't hear it. I saw them stop, but I couldn't hear nothing.
No, I pulled over before you did. Yeah.
No,
I'm like, I ain't even trying to
I
fucking run.
wanted to be right with you.
Yeah.
I was gonna stop back there.
No, I get it. Alright, we need some of that good luck.
Come on, Talia, come in clutch. I bet she's, I wouldn't be surprised if he's calling her right now. Look at your dumbass brother and your dumbass cousin. What you guys doing?
He didn't seem too happy. He's like, oh, y'all must have come in here with Talia.
How do you know?
We say California. Ain't that many fools come from California. Yeah, I hope you guys had a nice, easy breakup where he ain't gonna try to throw my ass in jail or something.
Since you were honest with me. Okay, tell me something. Why are you on a motorcycle and don't have an endorsement to begin with? You too. You go first.
Honestly, just negligence. There's no excuse. I really have nothing. There's no good answer here.
Okay. But yet you're here on a roadway.
You're right. You are absolutely
on a dirt
right.
bike.
You are absolutely right.
And you?
Talking about a motorcycle license?
Yeah.
Honestly, we ride like in the desert in California, like the sand dunes. So just an off-way highway registration and everything. And we're on here on vacation. We're riding on our property, and then he was like, let's go on the street, and we never ride on the street. So
Yeah, I tried to convince him and regret it.
Yeah, it's absolutely a no-no down here.
Oh, I definitely believe it.
This actually might be y'all lucky day because she's supposed to tow y'all.
I'm gonna tell you, yeah, I could tow the vehicles. I could confiscate them right now.
I believe it. I believe it.
And issue tickets. But I'm not gonna do it because of this man right here.
I appreciate you both.
Okay?
Very
It's
much
just
so.
because of him. I'm gonna tell you that. I'm honest with you.
I
all
appreciate you.
You can go ahead and pick that up.
I appreciate it. Thank you very
And look,
much.
y'all don't even have proper attire on.
I know, that's the thing. We
No,
were just
yeah.
really
Do you know if y'all were to hit this pavement, what y'all
Yeah.
would look like if you survived?
Yeah, I was honestly, it's kind of part of the rush, but it's really not smart.
And you got your GoPro.
I did this on our property. That was just on grass.
Yeah, exactly.
I know, it's not smart at all.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow y'all to where you going to.
Yes.
I'm gonna follow y'all.
Okay.
And y'all gonna put them up.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Or at least not on the road.
Oh, no, you'll never see us out here again. I really appreciate you being lenient with us.
If I do, you know what's gonna happen.
Oh, please take it. That's more power to you.
Okay.
I really appreciate
Yeah.
you guys working with us today.
Yeah, I really appreciate you guys.
appreciate that.
Well, y'all stop.
Oh, no, this is it. This is it. I begged him to come out, and I shouldn't have even done that, so.
Okay.
Definitely.
Because of him, I can tell you that.
I thank you both. I thank you both.
All right, y'all be careful.
Thank you.
I always try to give everybody the benefit of the doubt.
Okay.
I know you knew I was coming after you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I would pull over. There's no running. There's no nothing. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I radioed ahead to him.
Okay.
Okay. Because y'all were going to turn off and I might not have seen it.
Yeah, we tried to do
Hoping
the.
to get away.
We're trying to do the smart thing though. And we're like, we got to do the smart
Good
thing.
thing y'all stopped and a good thing you were on it.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
yeah.
Okay.
We got a lot of family as cops, and we
Yeah.
respect and do everything we got to do. So. He's always told me never lie to a cop, and I stick by that. And I definitely appreciate you guys.
So I'm going to follow y'all.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right, y'all be careful.
All right.
Thank the Lord. Tulia, thank you. You came in clutch.
What do you want, sis?
I don't know about that night ride.
No, that's great.
Change of plans.
Woo, baby. We got the police escort. That was a close one, boys. Almost lost her. Woo! Thank the Lord. Man, oh man. What are the odds you run into your sister's ex-boyfriend? Holy shit. Oh God. What a trip. No, here, hold my bike. We're going right down here. I just want to say thank you again. I appreciate your patience.
What is that address? Yeah, because I need to know. I got to let dispatch know.
More than welcome to drive down there. I'm sorry?
Yeah, yeah, let's go down there.
Okay. We got busted! Oh, we're good. We're good. Oh. What's the address here? Good night.
Thank you.
I got a story for y'all.
Oh. He's like, oh yeah, you must be out here, Talia. I'm like, oh, that's my sister. Oh yeah. We used to date. I'm like, Talia, you
He didn't.
gotta break his heart.
He didn't look too happy.
He dropped your name. I was like, holy, he dropped your name. Oh, you're welcome. And the whole time we're like, God, I hope you didn't break his heart. You better go that for a
You want to see the best part? We've completed the mission.
Wow.
This way. I'm going to
so glad she didn't ask to see my backpack. We survived. Don't ride on the street, kids.
We used to date, and the look like I'm like, oh, it must have ended good. She's like, where you guys from? I'm like, oh, Terrell Rose. Like, okay, well, I'm gonna follow you there and make sure you guys put them up. Like, oh, yeah, you'll never see us again. Night ride's canceled. Like, how do you know? I'm like, ain't no fools coming from California. Dirt bikes and parties and dumb shit.
Alright, we deserve these.
He's like, oh, you out here with Talia. I'm like, yeah, that's my sister. She's like, oh yeah, we used to date.